Something is wrong with your legs, and you have been ignoring it. You feel it when you stand up too fast, a little wobble, a little heaviness. You tell yourself it's nothing. You tell yourself you're just tired. But deep down, you know something has changed. Stop. Listen carefully. This matters. Your legs are not just carrying your body, they are telling you a story. And today, you are going to hear that story for the first time. I'm Adriana, and I need you to listen carefully, because what I'm about to share can change the way you move, the way you feel, and the way you live for the rest of your life. Welcome to Dr. Adriana Care. This is the place where we talk about the things your body is trying to tell you before it's too late. If this is your first time here, stay till the end, because what you learn today might be the thing that saves you years of pain. Let's start with the truth. Your legs are the first place your body shows weakness. Before your heart, before your brain, before anything else, your legs go first. And most people never realize this until it's too late. Think about it. When was the last time you climbed stairs without thinking about it? When was the last time you stood up from a chair in one smooth motion? When was the last time you walked for 30 minutes and didn't feel your legs screaming at you by the end? If you had to pause and think, that's your answer. You thought it was normal. You thought it was just age. You thought it was just a bad night's sleep. But it's not. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your legs contain the largest muscles in your entire body. They are your second heart. Every time you walk, your leg muscles squeeze the blood back up toward your heart. When those muscles weaken, that pump weakens too. And that affects everything. Your energy, your circulation, even your brain function. This is something I always come back to when I talk to people about aging well. It's never really about the wrinkles, it's about the legs. Because if your legs go, your independence goes with them. But this is where things get dangerous. Most people don't notice leg weakness until it's already serious. It starts small, a little stiffness in the morning, a little more effort to get up from the couch. You blame it on a long day. You blame it on old shoes. You blame it on anything except the real cause. And the real cause is silently damaging you every single day. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Your muscles are like a bank account. Every day, you either deposit strength or you withdraw it. Sitting for hours, skipping meals, eating processed food, not moving enough. These are all withdrawals. And if you keep withdrawing without depositing, one day the account is empty. That emptiness feels like weak legs, tired legs, legs that shake when you stand too long, legs that make you afraid of stairs. And here's what breaks my heart. This is happening to people in their 30s, their 40s, not just people in their 70s. This mistake is silently damaging you right now, even if you feel fine today. You thought it was normal to feel this way, but it's not. Now, before we go further, if your leg weakness came on suddenly, or if it's only on one side of your body, or if it comes with numbness, confusion, or trouble speaking, please don't wait for a video to fix that. That can be a sign of something urgent, and you need to see a doctor right away. What we're talking about today is the slow, everyday weakening that builds up over months and years, the kind most people brush off. That kind you can absolutely turn around. And that's exactly what I want to show you. So let's talk about why this happens. Because once you understand the why, the solution becomes so much easier. The number one hidden cause of leg weakness is not what you think. It's not just getting older, it's nutrition. Specifically, it's missing nutrients that your muscles and nerves depend on every single day. Your muscles need protein to rebuild. Your nerves need specific vitamins to send signals properly. Your blood vessels need certain minerals to keep circulation strong. When even one of these is missing for a long time, your legs start to feel the effects first. Not your arms, not your face, your legs, because they work the hardest and they need the most support. This is why nothing is working for you, even if you've tried to be healthier before. You might be eating what you think is a balanced diet, but if it's missing the specific building blocks your legs need, you won't feel the difference. And that's the part nobody explains clearly enough. So today, I want to walk you through 6 foods, Real, simple, foods you can find in any grocery store. Foods that directly support the strength, the nerves, and the circulation in your legs. This is not a complicated diet plan. This is not some expensive supplement. This is food. Real food with a real purpose. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein you can eat. And protein is the raw material your muscles use to repair and grow stronger every single day. But eggs also contain something many people overlook: choline. Choline supports the nerves that control your muscles. Weak nerve signals mean weak muscle response, even if the muscle itself is fine. 2 eggs a day can make a real difference over just a few weeks. Number 2, leafy greens like spinach. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, and magnesium is one of the most important minerals from muscle function. It helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, you get cramps, weakness, and that heavy, tired feeling in your legs, especially at night. A cup of cooked spinach just a few times a week can help refill this. Number 3, bananas. I know, this sounds simple, but bananas are rich in potassium, and potassium works together with magnesium to keep your muscles firing correctly. If you've ever had a leg cramp in the middle of the night, low potassium is often part of the reason. 1 banana a day is a small habit with a big effect. Number 4, fatty fish like salmon. Salmon gives you omega-3 fatty acids. These fats reduce inflammation in your body, and inflammation is one of the hidden reasons muscles feel weak and joints feel stiff. Salmon also gives you vitamin D, which is critical for muscle strength. Low vitamin D is one of the most common and most ignored causes of leg weakness, especially if you don't get much sunlight. Number 5, beans and lentils. These are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and iron. Iron carries oxygen to your muscles. If your iron is low, your legs feel heavy and tired, even after simple activities like walking to your car or climbing 1 flight of stairs. Beans and lentils are affordable, easy to cook, and incredibly effective for rebuilding that strength. Number 6, nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. Nuts give you healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, which supports nerve health. Remember, your legs don't just need strong muscles, they need strong nerve signals telling those muscles what to do. A small handful of nuts a day supports this nerve-to-muscle connection in a simple, natural way. 6 foods. That's it. Eggs, spinach, bananas, salmon, beans, and nuts. Now, here's how your life can change if you actually apply this. Imagine, just 4 weeks from now, you wake up and standing up doesn't feel like an effort anymore. You walk up the stairs and your legs don't burn halfway up. You go for a walk and instead of dreading it, you actually enjoy it because your body finally feels like it's working with you, not against you. This isn't a fantasy. This is what happens when you give your body what it's been asking for. But I want to be honest with you about something else too. Food alone works best when it's paired with movement. You don't need an intense workout. You don't need a gym membership. Even 10 minutes of walking or standing up and sitting down slowly 10 times a day sends a signal to your muscles to grow stronger. Food gives the building blocks. Movement tells your body to actually use them. This is something I always tell people who feel discouraged. You don't need to fix everything today. You just need to start. Start with 1 food from this list. Add it to your next meal. Then add another tomorrow. Small steps, repeated daily, are what actually rebuild strength, not extreme changes that you give up on after 3 days. Now I want you to do something with me. Take a deep breath and say this quietly, even in your mind. I am taking care of my body. I choose to heal. I am getting stronger every single day. Say it again if you need to. Let it settle in. Because the truth is, your body is not working against you. It never was. Every ache, every bit of weakness, every warning sign, it was never your enemy. It was trying to protect you. It was trying to get your attention before something bigger happened. How long have you been ignoring your body? Be honest with yourself for a moment. Weeks? Months? Years? It's okay. Today is the day that changes. Not because I said so, but because you're still here, watching, listening, ready to make a change. If this video helped you even a little, I want you to do something for me. Comment, "I choose health" below. Just those 3 words. Let it be a promise to yourself, not to me. If you're ready to start today, type "yes" in the comments. I read them. And I want to know that you're taking this seriously. And if you know someone, a parent, a friend, someone who has been struggling to keep up, who gets tired faster than they used to, share this with them. It might be exactly what they need to hear today. If this video helped you, even a little, please like it. It helps this message reach more people who need to hear it. And if you want more videos like this, real, simple, honest health guidance, subscribe to Dr. Adriana Care and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next video that could change how you feel every single day. Before you go, I want you to remember one thing. Your body is not your enemy. It's trying to save you.